Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in Canva. So as you can see right here, this is the news, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the text right here, right? And then basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and then add a subheading right here, right? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just say right here, for example, breaking news. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just place that text somewhere here, right? And I'm going to change the color to make it kind of unique. So I'm going to click text color and then make it darker, make it a little bit blue or whatever, right? And I'm going to just change the color right here. And you're going to be able to see the color has been changed, right? I'm gonna move a little bit this one, and basically click right here, double the right here to see it, click the text again, and then change it to like suitable color. Let's say for example black, right? You're gonna be able to see right here the breaking news, and the same goes for the other parts of the video. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.